If the Prophet Muhammad walked among us today, would he recognize his Ummah? We have masjids. We have Qur'an apps. We have Islamic posts on social media. But do we have sincerity? Do we have unity? Or have we become strangers to our own faith? This message is not to criticize. This message is to awaken the reality we live in. We scroll more than we reflect. We argue more than we understand. We chase dunya more than yana. Allah says, hold firmly to the rope of Allah altogether and do not become divided. Yet today the Ummah is divided by culture, language, politics, pride. We forgot that we are one body. When one part suffers, the whole body should feel the pain. But today, some of us don't even care. Why are we weak? The Prophet warned us. He said a time will come when nations will gather against you like people gathering to eat from a plate. Why? Because love of dunya will fill the hearts. Ask yourself, how much time do I give to Allah? And how much time do I give to my phone? We are not weak because we are few. We are weak because our hearts became weak. Silent sins destroying us. Sins are no longer hidden. They are celebrated. Music replaces Qur'an. Pride replaces humility. Fame replaces sincerity. And we say, everyone is doing it. But on the day of judgment, everyone will stand alone. The solution. Allah says, indeed, Allah will not change the condition of a people until they change what is within themselves. So where does change start? Not in governments. Not in leaders. It starts with you. It starts with me. Start praying on time. Start reading Qur'an daily. Start lowering your gaze. Start speaking truth. Revival does not begin in crowds. It begins in hearts. Message to the youth. You are not the future of the Ummah. You are the present. Do not let social media raise you. Let Qur'an raise you. Do not let trends define you. Let Islam define you. You were born to worship Allah, not to impress people. The Ummah is not dead. The Ummah is sleeping, and maybe this video is your wake-up call. Before it is too late, before your last breath, before your last sajda, turn back to Allah, because the strongest Ummah is the one closest to Allah.